Welcome to our YouTube channel, Arjun's Architectural Designs, to learn Sketchup like a pro. So today we'll learn how to create the openings for a particular building. So this is a sample plan which we have imported from AutoCAD to SketchUp and converted into 3D. This is in group. So first thing what you have to do is go inside the group, go to extensions, 1001 bit tools. Here go to walls and partitions and click on openings on walls. So first we'll see how to create the doors, opening for doors. Give the opening width of the door. For instance, we'll give 3 feet 6 inches. Height will give 7 feet 6 inches. Now click on create opening. So you'll get a blue cursor. First, decide where you want to place the door opening and double click on that particular point. So you'll get the opening. Same way, if you want to create a window opening for this particular plan, go to extensions, 1001 bit tools, walls and partitions, and click on wall openings. Here first give the width of the window opening, like 5 feet 6 inches, for instance. Height will be 4 feet 6 inches. Now click on create opening. So as you need to give, create opening. So as you need to give the height for the window opening. So first decide the position where you want to place the window opening. Now view the horizontal dimensions. So you can drag the cursor where you want to place the window. And now after clicking, give the height. So for example, I'll give 2 feet 6 inches as sill height. Enter. So you can see the opening. So this is how you can create window opening. If you have a particular profile for the opening other than rectangular or square, like a circular window, if you need to create a circular window on this wall, first create a profile. Like I have created a circle with 2 feet radius. Now select this circle, cut this, go to the group and edit, paste in place. Now go to extensions, 1001 bit tools, walls and partitions, and click on opening on walls. Here you don't give width or height, so click on setup profile because you have a profile which is already created. So click on setup profile, click on the face of the profile and go to the wall where you need to create the opening. So same way as we created the window. So first decide the position where you want to place the opening. Give the horizontal dimension by dragging the mouse and then give the height. Like I'll give 3 feet. So you can observe the circular opening has been created. So these are you create openings which you have your particular profile, custom profile. Can to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you.